Hello friends. Let me show you 3 good places in France. The French city Marseille is a port city in southern France, has been the crossroads of immigration and trade since its founding by the Greeks circa 600 BC. At its heart is the viewport, meaning old port, where fishmongers sell their catch along the boat-lined quay. Basilique Notre Dame de la Garde is a Romanesque Byzantine church. Modern landmarks include Le Corbusier's influential site Reduce complex and Zaha Hadid CMA-CGM Tower. Marseille is the capital of the province of Bouches-du-Rhône in southern France. Marseille is known for many things, but it is mainly known for its unique culture and cuisine, such as garlic and saffron-flavored fish stews called bouillabaisse. As a port city, Marseille has always been a melting pot of culture. It is more international than most French cities, its politics are more radical, and it is influenced by traders and immigrants who have passed through its ports. The city has become famous for its North African cuisine. With its bustling harbor and vibrant urban energy, Marseille appeals to visitors looking for a genuine tourist experience. This vibrant international city is France's oldest and second largest city after Paris. The town has a distinct Mediterranean atmosphere, from red-tiled houses to harbor fishing boats. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Nice. If cities can be labeled beautiful, then Nice is the most gorgeous of them all. Located on the south coast of France, along the Mediterranean Sea, the city is France's second largest Mediterranean city after Marseille. Make no mistake, you will not be alone on this holiday, it will be crowded, most beautiful things cannot remain hidden for long. You can take consolation in the fact that your competition for the beach will be beautiful, young and hippie people who make our otherwise dull planet a lively place. Below are the top tourist attractions in Nice. The top tourist attractions in Nice are as follow. First, the French Riviera. The more romantic name for this French Mediterranean coastline, which also includes the state of Monaco, is Côte d'Azur. What most people do not know is that the Riviera extends from the Italian border in the east to St. Tropas, Hyères, Toulon, and Cassis in the west. Lucky you, if you are a European, you can travel all the way to Italy and back without applying for visa. Second, Promenade des Anglais. First of all, if you do not know what the word promenade means like me, before I looked it up, it means a long open level area, usually next to a river or large body of water, where people may walk. The Promenade des Anglais in Nice is the best of all promenades. Third, Musée Matisse. The French are eccentric about art. That is why they would dedicate a whole museum to the works of one of their greatest sons and painter, Henri Matisse. The museum is located in a 17th century villa in the Semillas neighborhood. The museum hosts a large collection of 90% of his works. If you want to know why this guy is so special, just visit the museum. Fourth, Palace Nicaea. Not all of us love old things. Some of us are party animals, and anywhere a party is happening, we are in the heart of it. Well, there is one party center in Nice you do not want to miss. Located about 5 minutes drive from Côte d'Azur International Airport is the multi-purpose indoors concert hall that hosts most of the big concerts in Nice. They say that, if it is big, then it is at Palace Nicaea. Fifth, Nice Observatory. If you are traveling with your kids, you can inspire them to be astronauts by taking to the Nice Observatory. The kids love the stars. Not that adults do not love them, it is just that they secretly wanted to be astronauts, but their grades could not measure up, sorry, but it is the truth. Overall, Nice is your dream vacation destination. It is popular, has the beaches, the nightlife, beautiful people, shopping malls and what have you. Plan your next vacation destination to be nice. St. Troppas. The luxury resort of St. Troppas is located in the French region of Provence-Alpes Côte d'Azur on the Mediterranean coast. It has long been a favorite holiday destination for European bohemians. With a harbor full of luxury yachts and sailing boats, sandy beaches surrounded by pine forests, pastel-colored houses on the coastal slopes, it's hard to deny the beauty of St. Tropas. History and art lovers will not be bored here, either. Medieval architecture, the mystic streets of the old town, and a wealth of art galleries and museums await curious tourists. St. Tropas is especially popular with young people. They await nightclubs, discos, bars, secular parties and daily promenades along the promenade. St. Tropas is a spa fairy tale you will never forget and want to return to again and again. St. Tropas. On the shores of the Mediterranean Sea, in the French Provence-Alpes Côte d'Azur region, lies the luxury resort of St. Tropas. It has long been a favorite holiday destination of the European bohemia. The harbor full of luxury yachts and sailing boats, sandy beaches surrounded by pine groves, pastel houses on the coastal slopes, it's hard to resist the beauty of St. Tropas. History and art lovers won't be bored here, either. Medieval architecture, mysterious streets of the old town, rich art galleries, and museums await curious tourists. St. Tropas is particularly popular with the youth. Nightclubs, discos, and bars, as well as social parties and daily promenades along the waterfront, are waiting for them. St. Troppas is an spa fairy tale that cannot be forgotten and to which one wants to return over and over again.